cut out the old pieces, which was I threw in here. See how they're all bent up and stuff. Basically, I just took the mold pieces, cut them out, and kind of put this in. Another thing was it was just kind of like not even sitting in that pipe right. The way that pipe is at an angle is weird, so I went ahead and got one of these to kind of get in there, and it kind of fits in there real well. And then basically took that and then just kind of brought that together like that, and then connected it all up, and then caulked everything, you know, caulked everything here, just because the size difference didn't quite work exactly. So I just went ahead and ran that down in, and then just kind of caulked around it. It's going to be, it'll be watertight and still go all the way down. It's all caulked around that, caulked around the bottom, so that'll work. That'll do the job. That also can like leaves and stuff and all that, you can use that to grab that out of there too. Kind of an interesting little thing, because it was clogged up when I cut the pieces. It had stuff all in it, so that does give you the opportunity to get rid of that stuff in the future. So there we go. I think that's a pretty good repair for that, considering the differences in pipes and the fact there was no connector to that pipe. I figured this would be the easiest way, and it's pretty secure and everything, so should do the job just fine.